everybody, it's Chris and Jason. In honor of Thanksgiving and the holiday season, we are going to cook turkeys for you today at Frederick Chevrolet. And Jason, how are we cooking the turkeys?
We're going to cook them on the truck, Chris.
Okay, what is the first problem we've encountered this morning with the turkeys we are going to cook on a Frederick Chevrolet Silverado?
Well, I bought frozen turkeys, and apparently it's going to take 4 days to cook them out. There you go, Rocky. So Chris is going to go out and get unfrozen turkeys so that we can actually cook them on the truck.
We got here this morning to do this, and we have frozen turkeys, which means they won't be cooked till about Christmas time. So we're going to go get unfrozen turkeys, and we'll check in with you shortly. Stand by.
Okay. Thank you, Chris. Chris has saved the day. I bought frozen turkeys. We now have fresh, unfrozen turkeys. So we got the heavy-duty Reynolds wrap.
All of this to cook on a truck engine here at Frederick Chevrolet, by the way.
So, I mean, that's why I went heavy-duty. Yep, right. By the way, we're at the Frederick Chevrolet
pantry, not a kitchen, because that would mean we'd have a sink, and we don't.
No, we don't have that.
So I said I'm a doofus, I'll help, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm Jason Miles.
I wonder how we go and find out how hot it is.
Yeah. All right. So here's your two breasts.
We have two breasts.
Those are your two biggest parts of the turkey.
Okay.
Okay.
This is quality work by you, Brian.
If you ever go to the Renaissance Fair and you order a turkey leg, this is what you get.
You love the Renaissance Fair, Jason.
You don't think
I mean, look at this. There's already customers lined up looking forward to eating your turkey.
That's right.
Look at everybody is lining up to eat turkey. Guys, the turkey's not ready yet. I know you're hungry.
Yeah, but look at it. Now, and here comes another good cook.
A holiday
Kevin
meeting,
Conkle. He's a
holiday
customer
meeting of the
too.
minds. There he is, salesman of the year.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
The military taught you well, did they not?
Yeah, debone that bad boy. Yeah, this is gonna be some good Chevy truck engine turkey.
So Pat,
Pat Bryan.
you helped pick out the trucks. We're gonna talk to you more about the trucks before we go and put the design there. So how successful do you think this is gonna be?
You got a
On a scale of 1
50-50
to
shot of being cooked or not being cooked,
5 on
and
the
the
scale
time
of
it
10 is
takes
not
to cook it.
A 50-50 shot of it working or not working. That's excellent.
I also think that it's
Jason,
just
that's
time.
I'm just saying, basically, Taylor Burger is not going to work, so it's not like it's 50-50 shot.
Now,
Listen, Brian, you're being a little bit.
I didn't want to be any parts of this. That's why I brought in vegetable soup.
Brian, you're bringing a little bit of negativity into this.
So-
look, we saw this on YouTube. It was on YouTube. It's gonna work because nothing on the internet has ever been.
You hear that? It's gonna work.
I saw people bring their peacocks on the airplanes on YouTube.
Brian's vegetable soup.